Hi, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Google Keyboard or Gboard in your Samsung Galaxy device. First of all, go to your Play Store and we have to install the Gboard app. So in Play Store, search for Gboard and all you have to need, install the Gboard app in your phone. Once you successfully installed the Gboard app, now it's time to set up. So go ahead and open the Gboard app on your phone. And now we have to enable in settings. So tap on enable in settings. And here enable Gboard. Tap on OK. Go back to the Gboard app. And this time tap on select input method. And here select Gboard. Now tap on done. Now go ahead and open Keyboard from my app. And now once you open the keyboard, you will see the Gboard or Google Keyboard showing. And now to switch back to Samsung keyboard, just tap on this keyboard icon and here you can select Samsung keyboard. And to switch to Gboard, again tap on this icon and you will be able to switch your keyboard. Thanks for watching.